Hi, welcome to Creative Ninja. Today I am gonna show you how to create 3D text. Select text tool and type your text. I have already selected my font style. Fill color as per your requirement. Go to Object menu, then Path, and select Offset Path. Set values for offset path. Then click OK. Fill color in outer layer. Go to Object menu and Group. Select Text Group. Go to Effect menu. Then 3D and select Extrude and Bevel. Set 3D angle values. Follow my video steps. Then click OK. Go to Object and Expand. Create background as per your requirement. Select front text and copy. Copy text, send back. Then go to Effect and select Blur for realistic shadows. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks.